Richard Ingram's Diamond Carbonized Gray 2022 F-450 Platinum Reserve Edition on a Kelderman and 4G Autos. Oh yeah, let's go. What a stunning truck, but you know what, y'all, my vibe wasn't ready. My vibe wasn't there. Y'all, this is a bad boy, y'all. I gotta get my mojo up because I gotta get on the level of this truck. This truck is truly special. Our first Carbonized Gray Reserve Edition on a Kelderman. We've done a lot of Carbonized Gray trucks of similar fashion, but none with a Kelderman. So we're a big boy setup on big boy wheel and tire combo. Oh my gosh. We put the 4Gs on the F-450, y'all, and 38s at that. 38, 13 and a half, 24, you know real deals, all about that 24 action, and a mud terrain tire to go with it, and a 4G, the top tier premier wheel option, and a Kelderman to match it in a 5 to 6 inch height overall. Fully adjustable, goes from 10 inches all the way down to ride height. We're sitting right now at that sweet spot. And let me know what you think about the Carbonized Gray paint package that we did on this Reserve, and just the substantialness of how this truck is sitting in all this glory. We accented, much like we have Jim told me, and a few other trucks as of late, with this fashion of doing satin black and carbonized gray to accent. Satin black really pops, so remove the texture behind this side badge. It's satin black. This is normally chrome. This is normally chrome, and this here is normally black and chrome, so did satin black and carbonized. The carbonized gray really flows throughout. This 6.7 liter and Power Stroke badge is usually a brushed with black, did satin black and carbonized. This mirror cap here, y'all, this is usually complete textured, non-premium. Remove the texture, did carbonized there, smoked out the side lens. On the inside of the mirror, as you're looking going down the road, you see nothing but premium carbonized gray throughout. Door handles, the carbonized, boom. Smoked out the side markers as well. Tail lights did our normal legit combo of doing the perimeter and the carbonized, and then doing a light smoke over this light emitting portion there. And the carbonized gray on the blind spot monitor flows throughout your applique, which is normally that brushed aluminum look. And did the platinum letters, I think for the first time ever in this fashion, in the satin black. And up here, this is normally that same textured black. So we removed the texture and did carbonized gray there, carbonized on your handle as well. Look at how big and boisterous this setup is, y'all. And that rear looking so amazing. Did the same with our third brake light cover there in carbonized gray. We've got a Pace Edwards power bed cover, because you got this truck's so tall, you got to do it, y'all. You got to. Some of our rear components for our Kelderman, you see all your compressor and system is right there, up underneath, tucked in nicely, and we incorporated a train horn kit also, and you got the Raptor shocks specifically tuned for this application. And you see your airbag system there, and then the deep dish 24-inch 4G Autos are really a game changer here. Haven't ran this setup on a Kelderman either, and there you see the Raptor shock just looking so amazing in there. This is a 4-link rear system. It's a full replacement of all your front and rear suspension systems, and we've pumping out these Keldermans, y'all. Seems like on the weekly. We've got another one in progress right now. So we are your trusted source for going up with everything, especially the 450 segment. On our factory power board, this portion here is usually chrome. We wrapped that black, as well as this door window seal that's normally chrome, did that as well. And now the 22s, y'all, nothing new. The 12-inch touchscreen is kind of old news now, but it's so legit. If you got a 21 or older, you're kind of, you know, upset like I would be, because that 12-inch screen really makes a big difference overall as far as your interior feel and usability. And then that platinum leather with that wine color Marsala stitching, just enough to accent and set it off. You can see that stitching there. You guys and gals, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You got adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist, blind spot monitor. Let's jump in now and show how our system works as far as our airlift. So everything's set up right here, and right now I'm at the ride height setting. I'll pump here once and then hit the bottom button, and it will air down. You feel it and hear it airing down nicely. So let's take a look at aired all the way down, how the height changed. You can see it looks almost like a covert. It's about 3 inches lifted right now at the lowest setting. Now let's go all the way up. all the way up. That's right. Y'all, it is 95 degrees here today on June the 1st, y'all. I'm sweating. There we are, all the way up. We're big boy status. We're at a 10-inch mark where it's sitting right there. And just to let y'all know that to film this video for Richard, and must not to mention, Richard's getting this vehicle for his son. That hits home to my heart, y'all, because I just surprised my son with his first vehicle, and it's truly special. So Richard, much props to you for hooking your son up with such a phenomenal truck. And for such a phenomenal truck, I had to break out the Lucchese's today. You know, you see me all the time rocking the sneakers, and I just want to let you know, Real Deal's a country guy. So we got Ostrich legit to match a legit reserve edition. Okay, so we're back down to optimal ride height at that 5 to 6 inch mark. That's where we're sitting. I think the truck looks the best this way too. It's not too tall, not too low. It's got a great proportion, and I'm so pumped that we got Nitto trail wrappers on this bad boy. And our salesperson that took care of this was Brandon Wiltshire on the sales side, and then Walt McCart on the accessory side there. Walt's been here longer than I have, so Walt definitely knows what's up on the accessory game. So hit Walt up for confidence in getting good information and being taken care of. Now this front here, to me, is just setting off so hard because of the satin. You got the satin on these horizontal grill bars that normally are chrome. It's satin there, and carbonized satin to correlate on your front emblem. And then these headlights are a game changer. Carbonized where the amber was, did black and satin there. A true legit setup, smoked out the top clearance lights. But you can't tell me this is not one of the premier trucks in the country, and it's so hard to find these 450s, and we keep shelling them out. We've got many more coming to you, a rapid red and a black midnight coming for great customers also. So just gotta trust in us, y'all. If you are having trouble finding a truck, at least you can watch what we're doing right here and reach out to us. Maybe we can get you on the short list for if someone backs out on one, the 450. We are the #1 450 source across the entire country, and just announced #9 Ford store in the country also. So we got the great resources as well as the backing of a great owner and accessory store, which is right here to complement y'all. So I mean, it's something special. Like, you know, when I get excited to break the shoes out, got the swag on. Real Deal's genuinely excited about all this because, like, it's special. What we got going on here is special. Producing special trucks allows us to connect with special customers. So cannot wait to see the reaction of the son and the father when they pick this up. That's going to be priceless to me. So another reserve edition Ford F-450 Platinum 2022 carbonized gray 38. They tell us to run 37s, but we like 38 because this height overall looks better with a little more wheel and tire action. So 24s, I love the 24. I think the 24 and 38 is a great combo for overall ride quality and integrity. Still towing with confidence as well. To the Ingram family, thanks so much. To our guys at the shop who continue to consistently knock these customs out with no issues whatsoever. That means everything, y'all. If we didn't have our staff, the people make a big difference in the life in general, y'all. People are everything. God puts people in your life to impact you either positively or negatively. It's, do you surround yourself with those people, or do you see what God is doing in your life? We have God in our hearts here at the dealership, y'all. He is working here because we got great people. We got over 330 employees, and they're all phenomenal. So that's why you got to check us out, Willies at Akins, because there is something special to be said about what we're doing on a daily basis, consistently taking care of our customers with all their vehicle needs from custom to stock. It's why I'm so proud, y'all, and bring you this on the daily. It's your boy, Real Deal Neal. Thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button because I got more coming. I'm gonna stay up late if I have to bring it to you. Peace out.